Guys, I had to do a quick update here. It's about 12 o'clock, and there's some big forecast changes. Bottom line, storm's trending a lot warmer. This really is surprising me, and it's just been a rough year for forecasting. I just didn't get this right. This is the map I put out this morning, which I did try to update the warmer temperatures. What's going to happen is it's pretty much all rain where you see the greens. This pink, you could get a couple inches of snow later today, and then it's going to change to freezing rain, and then probably just plain rain. And then this blue area here, I think a little bit more snow, call 4, maybe 5 inches. I don't think you're even going to see 8 here, and this is probably even extended to Massachusetts now. And then you're going to see sleet, maybe some freezing rain, and then the heavy snowstorm still back here. What happened? Look, I missed this. Some other folks out there saw this. We have just this massive surge of warm air coming in from the south, which I thought the cold air would hold a little firmer, but this is such an impressive surge. You have such a dig here with this specific impulse. You're just going to overpower the pattern or overpower the region with warmer air. And we're already seeing that if you just look at the observations. I mean, we're in the mid 30s in some spots, and we're in the low 30s even up in North Jersey. So even the theory that, oh, whatever falls is going to freeze, that's going out the window pretty quickly now too, unless you go up into southern New England. Then I think it's more of an issue. Looking at the radar, here comes our storm. This is just going to work its way up just like this. So this rain will eventually move all the way up into the region, even southern New England. The latest models are now showing that. So as you get to maybe closer to 7 o'clock tonight, or I'd say between 5 and 7 o'clock tonight, snow does spread maybe a few quick inches, and then it just goes to ice and plain rain. Well, I mean, look at this. Look at the difference here of what it's showing in rain to just a couple of runs ago in the models where it had the ice line all the way further south. So to my point about this warm air from the south just rushing in too quickly and at too fast of a rate in terms of the speed, something called a low-level jet, you can see the response now in the models just completely bust the forecast. So again, heavy snowstorm up here, but I was wrong. I hate being wrong. I tried to really look at a lot of things, but I didn't catch this. And now we're going to see something more similar to my updated forecast, maybe even a little worse in terms of less snowfall. But there will be icing concerns somewhere probably in where I drew this band, maybe a little further north with a nice ski resort snowstorm. All right? That's all I got to say, guys. I guess better luck next time. But at this point, there's some work to be done.